Anxiety is here to stay unless we as creatives do something about it. We might be feeling that we should make a new video, we should write a new blog post, a new Facebook post, a new TikTok video, a new Twitter post, and we should make a new business, and we should also somehow work out, and we should do all these things at the same time, and then we end up doing nothing. We might just end up on YouTube Shorts, we might just end up on TikTok scrolling to the videos, and in the back of our mind maybe there's the idea that a new idea will jump out, and that new idea will just solve all our problems. Now, if you're going through this loop and feel that anxiety is building up in you, and you want to do 1,000 things and end up doing nothing, and feel bad about all of this and feel bad about yourself, don't worry, because you are not alone. And I could almost say it's not even your fault. Hi, my name is Szilard. Over the last 13 years, I've launched over 100 of my own digital products and built a successful online business from it. Through this journey, I learned a couple of things that I want to share with you, and I hope these things will make your road a little bit easier also. Now, if you already like this video, please click the like button, because that will help me tremendously. Now, let me show you this chart. This is the amount of people looking up the word anxiety since 2005. I got this from Google Trends. You see, worldwide, the level of anxiety is steadily rising. Now, I'm not a doctor, so I won't go into the medical causes of anxiety, but I am going to suggest to look at this other chart here. Now, if you write into Google Trends the word social media and compare it with the word anxiety, you'll find something stunning. The patterns match completely. Now, this is a global phenomenon, and it is being made worse by the so-called addiction loop. Basically, this means that we watch social media, we get anxiety, and to calm our anxiety, we start watching more social media. Now, you get it? This is the loop that never ends, and it will end only if we end it. But why is social media causing us to be anxious in the first place? You see, in my view, this type of anxiety is nature's way of making us uncomfortable enough to change, signaling that we are not where we are meant to be in our life and we need to take action and change. But here's the problem. On social media, we don't just get exposed to one good idea that we can take action on. No. On social media, you get exposed to thousands of different ideas that all try to pull you in different directions. Now, let me ask you this. Can you go into 1,000 different directions all at the same time? Now, of course, that's not possible. And that is increasing the level of anxiety that we feel day by day. So now if we try to calm ourselves by watching more and more social media, we just made the problem worse. Now, this is the paradox here. To get out of anxiety, we need to take action. And that's why we have anxiety in the first place. But what action can we take? Where should we start? And now here's a suggestion, here's my suggestion, and I got this from an old wise man who literally lives in the forest in Transylvania, but that's a different story. Whenever you want to get something new, first give away something old that you no longer need. So let me say that again. Whenever you want to get something new, first give away something old that you no longer need. This is what I did, and this is what worked for me. I gave away the habit of calming my anxiety with social media so I could finally take some real action. Because our life is calling to the voice of anxiety, and we need to answer that call. Now, by letting go of social media consumption, we can reduce the number of new and confusing ideas that we let into our head. And now we are not being pulled to 1,000 different directions, and we can finally take action and do those steps that make our life good again. Now, the second part of this process obviously is to become productive and to use our newly found energy to create and do important work. Now, in this next video, I will share with you the cow method. This is what I use to get rid of my anxiety, but also, and more importantly, to become productive again in my business. Now, you don't want to miss this one. And also, if you found this video that you're watching important and if you found it useful, please drop me a comment, because I would love to see what you think. I would love to learn your thoughts and get feedback from you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.